And today is one of those days when I'm feeling like next level lazy. Are you also feeling lazy? You are so full on enjoying with my iPad. I think I have to give it for repair in the next 1 or 2 months. She's throwing it, she's stamping it, she's standing on it, doing everything worst possible. Anyways, I had to go to the gym today. Early morning, I started my workouts properly. 7:30 a.m. I woke up. I put an alarm, but then I was feeling so sleepy and so lazy today. Again, I went back to sleep. She woke me at 8:20, something like that, by stamping me on my face, literally. Why do you do that, dude? That's some interactive games I installed for her on the iPad. At least she'll learn something instead of watching those stupid TikTok videos on YouTube. Nowadays, TikTok videos are coming on YouTube as well. Put this here. Put these here. And it was 8:20. She woke me up by hitting my face, stamping on my face. Thanks for that actually, because otherwise I wouldn't get up. Anyways, I got up and I thought I'll have my breakfast. I did all that, but I couldn't hit the gym. And look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Dude! What are you doing? Huh? If she can't play this game, she'll stamp the iPad. Anyways, did we give the intro? Not yet, right? What's up guys, kaise ho? Alana, hope everyone is doing great. Actually, I'm trying to be very energetic on the camera, just for the camera. But if I put this down, I'm gonna nicely sleep. By the way, because we have a BMW now, I started watching BMW ride videos. Some random video I opened, this came in the suggestions. Some two crazy dudes are doing this stuff. I don't understand, how do you take a 260 kilo wet weight, that kind of a huge bike, into off-road situations like this, that too wet fields? Personally, I will sit and argue with BMW Motorrad saying, I know you made it for off-road, but it is like random off-road. When you're doing a long highway ride and suddenly you encounter some bad patches, that's where you need this bike. Maybe adventure touring is also fine, but how do you go into like proper forests and all that with this bike? Especially where there are no roads, absolutely. For those kind of situations, for those kinds of roads, I feel you have different bikes. Something like a motocross bike, a light bike, maybe 120, 150 kilos of a bike should be good. Where will you take a 260 kilo bike, which is huge like an elephant? You need two people to handle it. Yes, once the bike falls, even the professionals, the other guy has to come and lift the bike. And if you're alone, never attempt such things. You see, such a huge bike falls, someone else should come and lift it up. Look who's here. This is like a sudden next level surprise, dude. She will go, come. Chalo, at least thoda time pass ho jayega. These people didn't tell me surprise visit. Come. ముందే చెప్తే ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తుండే కదా కెమెరాతో. చెప్పరా నువ్వేంటి? యూ కేమ్ ఆన్ ది స్క్రాంబ్లర్. Finally we have the R90, but I see something.
అరే ఇంకా ఆరలేదురా TPF. నిన్న పెట్టించినాడు.
You need to dry it in the sun.
అందుకే బయట తీసుకొచ్చా.
Nice. Looks so nice, bro. Whoa. అరే సారీ చరణ్, ఇట్స్ ఓవర్ షాడోయింగ్ యువర్ బైక్.
పర్లేదురా, వాడి బండిలో ఫ్యూల్ గేజ్ లేదు.
Now we have new content. No fuel gauge.
Like అరే ఆ మూవీ బండిలో ఇంకోటి ఏదో లేదనుకున్నాం రా. నేను ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయినా, వారానికి ఒక 500 కొట్టిస్తా, నాకు సంబంధం లేదు ఎంత తాగుతుందా.
Nice, but silhouette looks next level.
Hello.
For some time. We'll come back and check out the bikes properly. చైర్ అక్కడ వేసుకొని బైక్ మీద వస్తూ కూర్చున్నా.
నేను పొద్దున కాఫీ తాగుతూ
అంటే నీ బైక్ చూడొచ్చు రా, నా దునపోతుంది చూడొద్దు అట్లా.
ఇప్పుడు
అది ట్యాన్ అన్నారా, సాక్స్ వేసుకున్నారా చేతికి? ఈ ఎండలో పోదామంటారు ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రీట్ ట్యూన్ వేసుకొని. బై ద వే, చరణ్స్ బైక్, ఇట్ సీమ్స్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ హీటింగ్.
అంటే దట్స్ ఎ టెక్నాలజీ దట్స్ బిల్ట్ ఫర్
ఓన్లీ ఫర్ Ducatis.
అడిగాదరా, కోవిడ్ ఎలిమినేటర్ అని చెప్పు. టైస్ ఎలిమినేట్ చేస్తాడు.
I was thinking Charan lost a little bit of weight.
Exactly.
This is because of the Ducati. Too much of eating, fat burner. By the way, how did you people suddenly end up like this? These people don't come this side.
Yeah.
They think Malkajgiri is cheap.
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చినప్పుడు పెట్టబడి ఆల్రెడీ వేసేసారు రంగడి బండికి.
అది కామన్ మా దగ్గర.
రైట్ నుంచి క్యాజువల్ ఇట్లా అదేదో ఫోన్ మాట్లాడుకున్నాడు, హెల్మెట్ లో ఫోన్ పెట్టుకుని తిప్పేసి.
Get used to our Malkajgiri public. No, seriously I'm asking, ఎట్లా సడన్ గా ఇట్లా ఎందుకు వచ్చారు?
I wanted to take the bike out.
New bike, so
Yeah,
we
I
want
want to
to
take the
have.
bike out. I knew there's one more fellow with a new bike will have that itch to scratch.
I also have a scratching bike.
మరి పద మరి స్క్రాచ్
అంటే ఎండ మరి ఎక్కువ ఉందని.
ఏ కాఫీ షాప్ లో కెన్.
Seriously, these people went mad. They wanted to go out in this hot sun. Look at this. अभी तो थोड़ा सा clouds are coming, but it is still hot, dude. It is better to use a proper sunscreen if you're going into the hot sun, because you know UV rays are very dangerous. Not only they tan you, that is the secondary thing, they can cause skin cancer. Currently I'm using a Wow's sunscreen. It has raspberry extract, which is a natural sun blocker, and it is loaded with vitamin C and proper antioxidants. This helps prevent photo damage of the skin, and also it's got carrot seed extract, which is rich in vitamin A and E. Not only these natural ingredients protect your skin from the UV rays, but they also have anti-aging properties. And if I'm not wrong, I think this has avocado oil as well. It contains monosaturated fats and vitamin E that nourish the skin. It is a lightweight formulation. Once you apply any other sunscreen lotion, you get that white chalky pattern on your skin. That's not going to happen with this. It is a non-greasy. Wow sunscreen doesn't have any harmful chemicals, no parabens, no silicons, no mineral oil, just the goodness of natural ingredients. Just take some adequate amount of the sunscreen, apply it, massage it, and allow the skin to absorb the product. Avoid contact with eyes. It's better you apply it on all the exposed parts of your body. Right now I'm wearing a full hand shirt, but we need swag, right? We'll fold the hands, and this is exposed, so it is important we cover everything properly with the sunscreen. It is important to apply it every 2 to 3 hours. And for authenticity, you can scan this QR code. Whenever you scan, you get some points. You can redeem these points on Wow's app. Oh, by the way, talking about the Wow's app, it is such a beautiful app, very easy to navigate, very easy to place an order. There are some app specific offers as well. You can find the link in the description for the app. You can use my coupon code Sriman Kotaro and get flat 20% off at buywow.in. Oh, by the way, one more thing. Right now I'm using the SPF 55. This is for outdoors, and for indoors you can use SPF 35. 35 is a little bit mild. So now let's go ride some. We have a lot of options. Let's see what to ride. Actually, I had plans to take out the bike yesterday. I took it out. I started the bike. I thought I'll go to Ratnadev supermarket, and then it started raining. So again I put it back and took the car and went. Chetan is gonna ride the street pen.
What are you gonna ride?
We have too many options now. Street pen or Ducati Scrambler or the BMW R90. A lot of people are thinking it's R90. It's not 90, it is 90. T for Tiger. What do we ride? Okay, while going I'll ride the R90. While coming back the Scrambler.
Black and silver.
Yeah, actually silhouette is nearly. No, it is like a ton of difference. But
you need a good background.
if you ask a layman and ask him which one is what, they'll get confused. See, they look little bit similar. It's long. This is short.
You're talking loud, man.
That's called a Bonnie, bro. That's how it sounds. It pops when you're riding.
It should be Bonnie. It should be like Bonnie. Melliga. Classic guy. Deep just. What the hell do you know about
You know,
bike?
the worst thing I hate about this bike is this one. Do you like it?
What?
The way it is showing.
It's okay, right?
What?
ఎంతైనా
చూడు ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తారు ఇక్కడ నుంచి చూడు వింగ్స్ ఉన్నట్టు ఉంటుంది.
ఇది సీకరీ చేసిండా ఇప్పుడు?
I wanted a picture on the R90. అరే click some picture, no?
తర్వాత చేసుకున్నాం కదా.
చాలా చేయం. అరే నైస్, ఈజీగా వస్తుంది బండి. ఇట్ ఫీల్ సో ఈజీ.
అంటే జిఎస్ అడ్వెంచర్.
Oh yes, this is the problem with street bikes. Pura matti girega. Piche se it comes like this and falls here. Oh yes, let's ride the R90. There's no keyless entry and all that. I think none of the BMW bikes, only the 1250 has the keyless entry. All the bikes come with a proper key. This wobbles more than the 1250R when you switch it on. I want to do it again. You see that? I don't know if it is showing that much on the camera, but it wobbles a lot. I thought this bike is gonna be a little bit harsh, overall feel of it, but it sounds very smooth. It's not rugged at all. The way it looks and the way it feels retro, it's so smooth. It's so smooth, bro.
Don't ride it like a classic. Ride it like a sports bike.
But there's run-in, right? He's saying ride it like a sports bike. Sir, there's run-in, right? 5K. Oh, nice. Only thing is this wobbles too much. You see this? The way this is wobbling. Suspension is little bit sturdy. Obviously street bike, you can't expect a smooth suspension, and it is not even nice if it is like that. There's a big gunta here, be careful. Okay, it is a refined, like a crazy smooth refined bike. Yeah, maneuvering is good, but it is not torquey like a street twin. That instant pull is not there. See, I'm trying to rev, so the torque comes up. I think it's got good mid-range torque. The street twin or any other Triumph Classic, they have better low end torque. This one has nice, like a very good mid-range, so instantly it doesn't kick in. It is there, but for example, when you're pulling it now, it doesn't pull that crazily. Slowly it kicks in, and it's got very nice character, like next level character. When you're trying to move the bike, when you're trying to rev it, it's got this unique character of wobbling. Oh. Okay, so what Chaitanya said is right. You need to ride this bike like a street bike, not like a classic. Oh yes, not street bike, sport bike. Horn तो सब bikes पे it is the typical Honda Activa horn. అంటే మన దగ్గర హార్న్ వాడకపోతే మీదకి వస్తారు. అరే నైస్ యార్, బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇస్ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్. Street one will only go straight, it doesn't want to lean, and this leans properly. Yeah, very nice. I'm loving it, bro, like genuinely. And what I really liked in this bike, first thing is the gear shift. So smooth, you can't feel the gears. Are you shifting it or not? Oh, so I've ridden the Adendra Inkoti S1000R. Yes, R1200R. Yeah, I've done a test ride of it. This gives me same feels a little bit. The way I'm sitting on the bike, the position and all that, it's something similar to that R1200R. But when you ride a boxer twin, it's like you're having two panniers near your legs, so you have to be careful while maneuvering. Only thing is, when you're filtering, you might feel that you might hit something. Like if I want to go through this, it's a little bit tricky. ఇంత క్యారెక్టర్ ఉంటుంది ఆ బండిలో అనుకోలే నేను. అది ఓన్లీ స్ట్రైట్. అదే డెవల్ ఎగ్జాస్ట్ కదా, ఎగ్జాస్ట్ ఏదరా. ఓ యా. అంటే వాట్ ఐ లైక్ ఇస్ హ్యాండిల్ ఇస్ సో లైట్. Charan, shut your bike. Your heat is coming till here. But that freaking doesn't look like a 1100cc. It looks like maybe 600cc bike. Are it's working now?
No, because the video recording.
Are అరే ఆగిపోయిందిరా బండి అక్కడ. ఫస్ట్ గేర్ అయితే గుంజాగానే అట్లా అవుతుంది ఎందుకు, కొంచెం ఎక్కువ డ్రైవ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ టైం ఐ థింక్ ప్రాపర్లీ జెన్యున్లీ వన్ రైడ్ మై ఫెల్ ఇన్ లవ్ విత్ బైక్ పడితే అది R90 డూడ్. అరే ఇక్కడ చేద్దామా, చెట్లు ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ, ఉందా నీడ ఎక్కువ, ఇక్కడ ఒక్కడు పడుతుంది. పెట్టేయి, నా లైట్ ఎక్కడైనా పెట్టి ఆ పోల్ పక్కన పడి ఎవడు పట్టించుకోడు దాన్ని. ఓయా, దీనికన్నా స్టాండ్ పడుతుందా? ఒరే నైస్. Chaitanya's 850 ka stand, so it will stand like this. It will not go to the side stand. ఇది కొంచెం ఎక్కువ వంగుతుంది. స్ట్రైట్ ఫ్లాట్ కదా, ఇట్లుంది అక్కడ ఇంక్లినేషన్. వన్ థింగ్ వీ వర్ కంప్లైనింగ్ ది అదర్ డే ఇస్ ది కీ. BMW key is like so basic. Only the 1250 has a nice FOB. Hey, how is the Ducati key show? It is also basic only. బేసికే ఉంది ఇది కూడా. కొంచెం రెడ్ లైన్ ఏమని ఇవ్వాల్సింది ఒకటి. ఇది సూట్ కేస్కి ఇదైతే, ఇది కాదు సారీ ఇది. బట్ సిలోవేట్ ఇస్ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ బ్రో.
I need to like remove that first.
So Chetan is telling some interesting point about this small unit here. You see this? What is this called?
People online are calling it flipper valve. I don't know what the technical term is.
Flipper valve. What does it do?
So this is like this valve. It's closing it right now. It'll open
Something like a air intake, right?
Yeah, it's just like stopping the air from going out from the exhaust. It's stopping the air from going out.
Okay, so
that
these are like
reduces-
literally
I think
steel
it helps
cables.
them- I think it helps them with emissions and sound and pollution emissions. I think it helps with that.
So it seems these are steel cables you see here. These literally mechanically open the exhaust.
Yeah,
Beautiful bro.
open and close it.
BMW technology, huh?
But I think that's the reason why at idle, if I rev it, I don't think it sounds very good because it sounds very.
Yeah, that is one thing, yeah. It doesn't feel raw. It feels very smooth when you're revving it.
So
And while riding though, you don't hear the exhaust at all, especially with the helmet on.
So there are mods to essentially remove this and just replace that entire section with just a straight pipe.
Oh, so it's
That
gonna
should
pop
help
and
with-
do all that.
that should help.
Yeah, one thing we did not like that much on this bike is the exhaust
Yeah,
note.
exhaust note is very
Very smooth. I mean, I like it. Chetan doesn't like it. He wants to change the exhaust
exhaust note.
so that it sounds more raw. So today is a classic day, all classic part. That's a proper classic, and this is a cafe racer. That's a scrambler, and that's a
And ఏమన్నా నాకు తెలియదు.
yeah. We are a little bit confused over the R90. What do you call it?
Roadster అన్న.
A roadster.
Yeah.
Actually, it is a roadster. Correct. That's correct. It's a roadster.
I would call it an old school roadster.
Old school roadster, and
Yeah.
Royal Enfield people, you need not worry about your bikes because we also don't have fuel tank. Sorry, fuel gauge. You don't have fuel gauge, but you
అది-
have
అరే అది ఏ movie
kilometers
రా?
for a liter.
జాతిరత్నాల్లో పెట్రోల్ ఖర్చు బాగా పెరిగిపోయినాయి అబ్బాయి పెట్రోల్ ఖర్చు అంటే నీ ఎందుకు పంచ్ రూన్ చేస్తావు అది ఎంత పైన మనం కొట్టించేది 100 కదరా అంటాడు.
I used to put like 30 rupees, 40 rupees, you know, in college. Mein. Passion plus. No, only passion, not passion plus.
చీప్ ఫర్
30-40 rupees.
కొడుతుంది.
అరే 30-40 రూపీస్లో వారం తిరుగుతుండేరా మేము. రిచ్
అంటే
పీపుల్ 80 రూపీస్
నాది
పెడుతుండే
180
వీడు.
cc కదరా
అయితే
180 cc
మళ్ళీ 100 cc 97.3 cc. But yeah, these bikes are meant for the city rides only, so doesn't matter if you have a fuel gauge or not. It is nice to have it.
Tire treads are different.
We are sitting and taking in the bike, which we usually keep doing.
I think
Came back home. As you can see, full on next level drained out. We went to Srujan's house and we spent somewhere around 2 to 3 hours there. Evening quickly came back because gym closes at exactly 8 o'clock. Time is exactly 8:50. 6 o'clock came back home, rushed quickly to the gym by 7 o'clock. And today I told you it is leg day. Thank God I was not feeling lazy anymore. 58 minutes of strength training. 689 calories within 58 minutes. Only thing is, after COVID, you get really drained. I mean, this level of workout when you do normally also you'll get drained out. But post-COVID, it's at least 30 to 40% more. But at least I feel good that today I did not miss my workout. Anyways, now I'm like properly drained out. Let me go take a nice hot shower. And then let's go have some nice grilled fish. It's kind of back to the diet. Sorry for all this sweat.